Samsung's foldable game is getting stronger in 2025. With the Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Z Fold 7, the brand is aiming to dominate the market once again. But are these foldables truly groundbreaking or just incremental upgrades? Let's find out everything you need to know. Welcome back to TechVerse, your go-to channel for all things tech. Today we're diving deep into Samsung's upcoming foldable smartphones, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Galaxy Z Fold 7. Packed with leaks, rumors, and industry buzz, these devices are already creating waves. Let's break it all down for you. Samsung has always led the foldable race, and the Galaxy Z Flip 7 aims to take it to the next level. The phone is rumored to feature an ultra-slim design, possibly slimmer than ever before. When unfolded, the device is expected to be just 4 mm thick, which is thinner than a USB-C port. This sleek design will make it one of the most portable foldables on the market. The Z Flip 7 will reportedly come with a larger 6.85-inch main AMOLED display and an upgraded 4-inch cover screen. This means a better viewing experience whether you're scrolling, gaming, or multitasking. The improved hinge technology is also expected to make the fold smoother and more durable than ever, while the hardware might remain the same as the Z Flip 6. A 50MP primary sensor, 12MP ultra-wide lens, and 10MP selfie camera, Samsung is focusing on AI-based camera enhancements. These upgrades will improve image quality, especially in low-light conditions, and offer better stabilization for video recording. Here's where things get exciting. The Z Flip 7 will debut the Exynos 2500 chipset, Samsung's latest innovation in mobile processors. This 10-core chip, paired with the AMD Xclipse GPU, promises lightning-fast performance, efficient multitasking, and stunning graphics. Plus, with up to 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of internal storage, you'll have all the power you need. Battery life is crucial for foldables, and the Z Flip 7 is rumored to feature a 5,700 mAh battery with 80W fast charging. Samsung is also improving the overall durability with stronger materials and water resistance, ensuring your foldable lasts longer. For those looking for a budget-friendly foldable, Samsung is introducing the Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE. Powered by the Exynos 2400E chipset, this model will provide a more accessible price point while retaining key foldable features. Samsung is also rumored to launch a tri-fold smartphone later this year. While details are scarce, this could be Samsung's boldest step yet in the foldable space. With these upgrades, Samsung is clearly pushing the boundaries of foldable technology. But the big question remains, are these devices worth the investment, or are they just minor upgrades? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth tech reviews and updates. Stay tuned to TechVerse, your ultimate source for all things tech.